I want to share one of the ways that we help not lose customers in our B2B businesses. So, extremely important. Growing sales means also not losing sales out of the bottom. And a lot of times we can be so focused on the current problems in the plant or acquiring new customers that we're losing 10 to 15%, meaning every 10, 15% new growth is really just covering our attrition. So, how do we capture that? How do we fix that? There's some really easy ways that you can get proactive with that instead of reactive. So what we do is we set up a report that we run every single month, and it's basically looking at business now versus business 1 year ago across all of our customers. So because of the volatile nature of our business and the variability, we'll look at 3-month blocks. So January to March of 2024 compared to January to March of 2023. And we sort that by our customers' dollar revenue in the previous year, so 2023. And what you're looking for are who are our customers that are dropping off, that are doing quite a bit less. And with that sort and that setup, and you can look at 2 months, you can do month over month, so January over January, depends on what you sell and how stable your revenue is. But you're going to start to notice that all of a sudden some customers are dropping off 20, 30, 40, 50%. Rather than waiting till they're gone or all of a sudden remembering, hey, I haven't heard from that customer in a while. Now you're monthly going to be getting a report for that. You can call them up and you can say, hey, notice you haven't bought anything in a while. Noticed you're down. What can I do to help? What you'll often find out is they're working on new projects. They're quoting it with other suppliers. Maybe there's a new buyer who doesn't know that you exist. Maybe they just have POs that they haven't got out yet and you're going to remind them, but you're going to pull all that business back in. So many times we've called and found that we were about to lose an order, not for anything we did wrong, but there was just information that a new buyer, a new person, a new project, or a new engineer didn't have. So this is a great way to make sure that you're not losing business out of the bottom just from not keeping up and tracking things. Another thing you can do is you can then connect this to kind of an enrichment program where it automatically sends an email and it says, hey, notice that we've been doing less business. Is it something that we did? You can ask for feedback. You can also have it set up and trigger a business review and say, hey, we haven't touched base in a while. Please click this link. We'd love to set up a business review with you in the next 2 months. Go over what we've done, what we're working on, what we can do better for you, understand your quality issues. There's a number of things that can come from this that can really beef up your customer service and lower your customer attrition.